Hello guys, so we have more antiques right here. So this first one right here we have is a Hoover Decade 800 heavy duty with does this thing yep, so we found out instantly that this one runs. Yep, and we have a Hoover Concept 2 electronic. And yes, I've heard of this one, and that there is a hand vac right here that can come off. And this is Hoover Helpmate. This is vintage. This is kind of a bit newer than my Kirby Sanatronic that I have upstairs, because that Kirby Sanatronic is an old machine. Yeah, but this is vintage. Yeah, and there's the only problem that I could see with this one is, yeah, right there. Just got to be careful with this one, because I noticed that the power on this one is stuck and won't go to the off position. And here is a, does it have a bag in there? Yeah, it does. Zip it up. I know, this kind of looks like a sanitary, but it's not. It's a Hoover. But anyway, we will get these cleaned up and see how it goes. And we'll do a video on that one.